Hello students, today I am going to discuss about that organic chemistry, some basic concepts, types of carbons. Here how many types of carbons are there? Now types of carbons. These types of carbons are classified into mainly that is primary carbon, secondary carbon, tertiary carbon and neocarbon, and another one is vinylic carbon, allylic carbon, benzylic carbon and asymmetric carbon or chiral carbon, and symmetric carbon or achiral carbon or acylic carbon, and another thing is the alpha, beta, gamma carbon. These are the important types of carbons. We have discussed each and every one. First one, primary carbons. What is primary carbons? Primary carbons what? Primary carbon means what? When carbon bonded with only one other carbon is called primary carbon. Primary carbon means when carbon bonded with only one other carbon. Carbon bonded with only one other carbon is called primary carbon. So carbon atom which is bonded to only one other carbon atom or end of the carbon chain is also known as primary carbons. Now take the example. Now ethane molecule, CH3 single bond CH3, ethane. In this ethane molecule, how many types of carbons are there? So here only one type of carbons, that is primary carbons. Primary carbon means what? When carbon bonded with only one other carbon. This CH3, left hand side CH3 bonded with only one right hand side carbon. This left hand side CH3 attached with only right hand side carbon. So that is called primary carbon. Primary carbon means carbon bonded with only one other carbon. This left side carbon attached with right side carbon and right side carbon attached with left side carbon. So here these both are carbons are primary carbon. These both carbons are primary carbons. These both carbons are primary carbons. In ethane molecule only two primary carbons are present. So this is the primary carbon. Primary carbon means when carbon bonded with only one other carbon is called primary carbon. Now take the another example. Now take the propane. In propane, how many types of carbons are there? How many types of carbons? So now take this is first carbon, this is second carbon, this is third carbon. This first carbon means that CH3. This CH3 attached with only right side carbon. That means this is the only primary carbon. This carbon bonded with only right side carbon only. This left side carbon, this first carbon attached with only right side carbon. So that's why it is called primary carbon. And what about this one? This is the secondary carbon. This carbon bonded with left side, this carbon bonded with left side carbon otherwise and as well as right side carbon also. This is called secondary carbon. What about this one? This third carbon. This third carbon attached with only one left side carbon. So it is also primary. In this propane molecule, only two primary carbons are there. Only two primary carbons. So it is the very most important student. Primary carbons. Sorry, simple concepts only. These are the primary carbons and secondary carbon. And another one is the secondary carbon. This primary carbon is denoted by 1 degree. Primary carbon is denoted by this primary carbon denoted by 1 degree. Next topic is now secondary carbon. What is secondary carbon? This secondary carbon is denoted by 2 degree. It is also very most important student. Secondary carbon. What is secondary carbon? This carbon atom which is bonded to only two other carbon atoms is called secondary carbon. Simple student, simple trick. When carbon bonded with only two other carbons, when carbon attached with only two other carbons is called secondary carbon. Now take the example is propane. Here what is the secondary carbon here in this following compound? So this primary carbon. Why? Because of this left side carbon attached with only one right side carbon. So it is primary carbon. And second one CH2 group. This CH2 group attached with left side carbon and right side carbon. So that's why it is the secondary carbon. First one is primary carbon, second one is the secondary carbon. What about this third carbon? This carbon numbering 1, 2, 3. What about this third carbon? This third carbon attached with only left side carbon. So it is also primary carbon. So it is also primary carbon. What I said that secondary carbon. Secondary carbon means when carbon bonded with only two other carbons. This middle carbon attached with left side carbon and right side carbon. So that's why it is the secondary carbon. This is very most important. And one more example, now take the CH3 CH2, then CH2 and CH3. Now take the butane. Now take the butane. In butane molecule, how many secondary carbons are there? How many secondary carbons are there? This first carbon, second carbon, third carbon and fourth carbon. So first carbon, this first carbon attached with only right side carbon, so that's why it is the primary carbon. What about the secondary carbon? The second carbon, not secondary, second carbon. This second carbon bonded with left side carbon as well as right side carbon, so it is called secondary carbon. Second carbon is secondary. And what about third carbon? This third carbon bonded with left side as well as right side. This third carbon attached with left side carbon and right side carbon, so it is also secondary carbon. What about that fourth carbon? This fourth carbon attached with only left side carbon, so it is primary carbon. So in this molecule, how many secondary carbons? In this butane molecule, only 2 secondary carbons are present. Only 2 secondary carbons and 2 primary carbons. This end of the chain, this is also primary carbon, right side also end of the chain, this is also primary carbon. So these middle one both are the secondary carbons. Secondary carbons means what? A carbon atom which is bonded to only 2 other carbon atoms. Secondary carbon means when carbon bonded or attached with 2 other carbons. When carbon attached with 2 other carbons are called secondary carbon. It is also very most important, students. So primary, secondary. Then another one is the very most important, that is the tertiary carbon. What about the tertiary carbon? This tertiary carbon is denoted by 3 degree. Tertiary carbon denoted by 3 degree. Tertiary carbons means what? A carbon attached with 3 other carbons. Very most important, carbon. When carbon attached to 3 other carbons, carbon attached to 3 other carbons is known as tertiary carbon. Tertiary carbon means carbon bonded with 3 other carbons is known as tertiary carbon. Now take the example, that is 2-methyl butane. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2-methyl butane. Here how many types of carbons are there? So this is the first one, is the primary carbon. This is the primary carbon, 1 degree. Why? Because of this methyl CH3 group attached with only right side carbon. And what about this one? This is the carbon. First carbon. This is first carbon. This is second carbon, third carbon and fourth carbon. First carbon is primary carbon. What about the second carbon? This second carbon attached with left side carbon and right side carbon and upper side. Here this carbon attached with 3 other carbons. This carbon attached with left side and right side and upper. So it is the tertiary carbon. And what about this carbon? This third carbon attached with left side carbon and right side carbon. So it is called secondary carbon. What about this fourth carbon? This fourth carbon attached with only one left side carbon. So it is only primary carbon. In this structure, in this molecule, here in this molecule, how many primary carbons are there? 3 primary carbons are there. 3 primary carbons. Primary carbons means when carbon bonded with only one other carbon is called primary carbon. So this is also primary carbon. Why? Because of it only attached with only one carbon. This is also primary carbon and this is also primary carbon. So these 3 primary carbons and this is secondary carbon. This carbon attached with the left side and right side. One secondary carbon and another one is one tertiary carbon. Tertiary carbon means what? A carbon bonded with 3 other carbons. This carbon bonded with left side carbon, right side carbon, upper side. So this is the types of primary, secondary, tertiary. And another one is the neocarbon. What is neocarbon? Neo means what? When carbon bonded with 4 other carbons is called neocarbon. When carbon bonded with 4 other carbons. Example, this is the neocarbon example. CH3 and this is the CH. This is called neocarbon. This middle carbon is called neocarbon. Neocarbon means when this carbon bonded with 4 other carbons are called neocarbon. This middle one, this center carbon is called neocarbon. Neocarbon means what? When carbon bonded with 4 other carbons, like this, 4 other carbons. This carbon bonded with this one. This is called neocarbon. These are the important basics concepts, students. If you like my video, please like and share and comment. Thank you.